Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today was super fun and I was so excited to take you guys along with me because summer is my favorite time of the year. I mean, look at the bunnies bouncing. We saw this little bunny in the morning in the backyard and I followed him. I actually put out some carrots to see if he ate them, and he ate them because the next day they were gone and he was there. So he is the carrot eater, obviously. Now, I usually vlog on a Tuesday, but I figured I'd vlog on a Wednesday because it's a little bit different. Every day looks different to me because I am a dance teacher and not every single day are the same classes at both my studios and my online dance academy. Although my days look different, they always start the same: coffee. And I've been loving this coffee that I got from the superstore from Great Value. It's a really basic brand, but honestly it tastes really good and it's strong, which is what we love. Now, I went straight into my skincare routine before my class. I had a class at 9:30 a.m., so I tried to hustle it a little bit because usually I don't have classes till 4 or 5 and I have a lot more time, but this morning I did not have that much time.
You're still in bed. Oh, hi.
Now, this was so funny to me because we ran out of milk, or almond milk rather, so Steve had to start using some yogurt in his cereal and he kept making a huge mess, which was super funny. So I'm sorry, Steve, for embarrassing you, but you did it to yourself. So we had a smoothie this morning, which was super good. I put some almond butter, some frozen berries, maca powder, some spinach and kale, don't tell Steven. I also put in some banana and some dates and then blended that baby up, and it was so good with the orange juice. I don't know why I didn't put orange juice in my smoothies before, but Steven did it once and it was so good, so I've been doing it ever since. And it was around 8:30 by the time I was having breakfast and getting ready for the day. I like to take about an hour in the mornings just to decompress and wake up. I'm a very slow wake upper. And then I made the bed, I did some laundry. And then when I got changed today, I actually changed into a leotard, no tights, absolutely not in the summertime, but I changed into a leotard because I was feeling inspired for ballet.
Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video is just a vlog, guys. I'm going to take you along with my day of teaching / my day off, and I'm already in my ballet stuff because I have a class at 9:30, which is in 10 minutes. So I'm going to do a quick face of makeup, and I forgot my tripod somewhere. I don't know where, so it's been kind of difficult to vlog this morning because I've just been holding my camera the whole morning, but I'm still going to vlog nonetheless because I'm going to definitely do ballet today. That's why I'm in my ballet leotard. This one is from Yumiko. If you haven't watched my leotard haul already, I'll put that in my description box down below. And yeah, let's get ready for ballet class at 9:30. All right, hi, how are you doing this morning? Awesome to hear. We will just get started with our pliés as usual. Plie to first position, demi, and stretch. Let's do front plie all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I see you've relocated to the office downstairs.
All right, so I just finished teaching my first ballet class this morning, and I have a little bit of a break. I was going to go out for a walk, but it's a little bit cloudy now, so I'm going to put on my pointe shoes and do a little bit of ballet because I have not done ballet or ballet class or pointe class in so long, and I'm just going to go straight into it. And I think I'm going to do, I was going to go to the studio, but I don't think I have time before my next class, and gas is also insanely expensive right now in Canada. I don't think I can afford to go to the studio for fun anymore, so I'll just be dancing at home. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do, I don't know what class to do. I kind of feel like doing a different class, like a Catherine Morgan class or something, but I also feel like doing my own thing to like pop music. And because I don't want to get copyrighted, I am going to mute that obviously, but I will record everything what I do. So let me know, guys, if I should do like a live. I feel like I need to do a live soon because we just hit 6,000 subscribers on this channel. And I want to celebrate somehow, so maybe to celebrate we can do like a pointe class on live, or I don't know, last time I sewed my pointe shoes on live and I need to sew another pair of pointe shoes because these are beyond their lifespan. So let me know if you want me to sew another pair of pointe shoes and my ballet shoes because I haven't sewn my ballet shoes all and I've had them for a year. So I should do that. Yeah, let me know if I should sew pointe shoes and my ballet shoes, or if I should do a full pointe class on live, or what I should do, what you guys think I should do. I'm wearing this Yumiko that I got ages ago, and it used to be a light blue color. And if you guys have seen my leotard haul, you guys know my favorite leotard brand is Yumiko, but I recently fell in love with Kaz Designs, which I'm gonna wear tomorrow, I think, when I'm teaching, because it's finally nice out. But yeah, I will put all those in the link in the description. These shoes are Gainer Minded, and I'm going to do a little bit of a pointe class and ballet class, all of the above. I do have a proper ballet floor as well. I'm trying to decide what to do with it. I want to put it in the dance room. So the dance room has carpet right now, and we're definitely changing that, but that's not something we're going to do soon. Steven took out a bunch of the walls in the bathroom. It's kind of a mess, but it just means we're that much closer to having the bathroom of our dreams. So yeah, no dance room for this year, but hopefully next year. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with my ballet floor, if I'm going to put it up here, or if I'm going to put it in the basement, or what I'm going to do with it. So yeah, let's just get started.
Whenever I have days that are off, it always makes me feel a lot better to do a little bit of ballet. And I know that sounds super corny and cheesy, but it holds true. I think it's really crucial and important to find a hobby or a passion that allows you to escape. Something that allows you to be in the now and not think about what's going to happen or what just happened or stress about the future or stress about the past. Just something that you can honor the present moment with. And to me, that's definitely dancing. There's nothing else on my mind when I'm dancing apart from what is happening right now, how I'm feeling, and how good it feels to move in my body. I used to take it for granted when I was a professional ballerina, and I think that's something that's bound to happen when you make your passion or your hobby your career. When it is monetized or is something that you're monetizing from, it stops becoming your passion that has the least amount of stress anymore. Now it's your full-time career. Now you actually have to worry about it. You have to think about improving yourself. But since leaving ballet, I've had the same mindset that I had when I was in ballet in terms of improving myself and working on myself so I don't stagnate, like really pushing my limits to a point that's healthy. And that's just for my own selfish reasons. Like, I want to get better at ballet because I love dancing and I want to be the best version of myself. I'm no longer dancing for anybody else anymore. I'm just dancing for me, and I think this is the healthiest relationship I've had with ballet in a long time. I don't know if that makes any sense, but for example, I used to watch videos of myself like this and be like, oh, I can't post that, or I can't, even look at that because I didn't do this right and I'm not in balance and this isn't perfect. And now when I look back at these videos, I remember the feeling and it makes me so happy. I actually got a little bit emotional watching these videos, and that sounds super conceited, but it's not because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so moving. No, it was because I remember the feeling dancing and being in leotard tights and being in class. And then I remember this moment here, how much better I felt about myself and watching myself, and it just made me happy to be at the place where I am today, where I can watch myself and know that I'm enjoying dancing and I'm not hating my body in the process. I'm not picking apart every single tiny little movement. I'm genuinely enjoying it because it is from my soul, it is from my heart, and I sound like such a nerd and such a dweeb, but I love ballet. And I'm honestly just proud of myself for getting to the point where I am. And enough about me, but I hope you guys can find something in your passions and your hobbies as well that makes you feel this way. Comment down below what your hobbies and passions are, and if it's dancing, if it's music, if it's art, whatever it is, even if it's schoolwork, education, or learning, what is your hobby/passion that allows you to grow but also brings you joy? I love hearing about people's passions, especially when they're different passions, because it's so interesting to me to think like the same amount of work and the same amount of love I put into one thing in one art form, somebody else does for something completely different. And that's exactly what makes us all so unique. Like, if everybody loved ballet, then nobody would truly love it. Like, it wouldn't be that special to enjoy it, if that makes any sense. It's amazing that we all have such different qualities as well and such different interests. So comment down below what your biggest interest is, whether it's ballet, dance, art, music, schoolwork, hanging out with your cat, hanging out with your dog, whatever it is, hanging out with your friends, something that allows you to be in the present moment and not stress about the past, not stress about the future, just be with you, yourself, your hobby, and life in general. I think that's really the magical thing about hobbies, is that they allow us to forget about the things that in the end probably don't matter that much. Like, think about it. When you're in school and you're stressing about your grades, sure, yeah, it's a good way to improve yourself. And same as dance. Like, if you're stressing about your dance technique and you're thinking about it all the time and it's bringing you a little bit of stress isn't a bad thing. But when it consumes you and you can't enjoy life anymore, what's the point, you know? Not to sound grim, but we're all on this planet together and we all start and end in the same place. So you may as well enjoy it while you're here. Enjoy it with your friends, enjoy it with your family. Most of all, enjoy it with yourself, because you are the one person you're going to have to live with the rest of your life. Right? I really wish I had been more present when I was in ballet school, because I was in such a highly stressful environment in ballet school, and I don't feel like I got the most experience out of it, because I was so stressed all the time and I was worrying about what I looked like and how I was performing and all these tiny little details, which in the end, like, yes, they do matter, but at the same time, they do not make or break you, if you know what I mean. Too much stress is not good for a human being. So comment down below if any of this resonated with you or not. I have no idea. I'm just blabbing away. I am tired, but happy.
I'm exhausted. Oh my gosh. I haven't done like a full class in so long. My feet are exhausted. I did my first pirouette for the first time in a long time, so that was kind of scary on this floor. I don't recommend it at home. It was fun. It was really fun. I'm gonna film a few TikToks while I'm in my pointe shoes and chain, and then I'm probably gonna go shower or have lunch. I also have to go to the post office because I'm waiting for my Google AdSense to come in, so comment down below if you guys want me to update you on that, because that's been really exciting. And yeah, catch you guys in a bit. All right guys, I just finished filming a bunch of TikToks, hence the pointe shoes and the tutu and the get up, but I'm gonna go have lunch because I spent like an hour filming and my feet are dying in these shoes. The thing I love about Gainer Mindens is that they're so comfortable, but these are definitely at the end, and they've lasted me a really long time. They've lasted me a couple of months, but I'm getting to the point where when I'm over, I feel like I'm knuckling back and hanging back because I feel like my ankle's about to break if I push over fully. So I'm trying to lift out of my shoes, but the sweatier my feet get, the more that they sink, and I'm not as strong as I used to be, so it's proving to be a little bit more difficult than I anticipated. Nonetheless, I'm still going to keep doing pointe classes, but yeah, these are definitely past their due date.
So I went to the grocery store the morning prior and I decided to meal prep a little bit today for lunch and have some leftovers for dinner. I made some gnocchi, and those little dots are actually quinoa that I accidentally spilled. Ended up being a nice little crunch, but don't judge. I'm a very clumsy gal. So I made this gnocchi with some quinoa, some roasted broccoli, roasted zucchini, leftover salad, and some vegan meatballs. I threw some balsamic vinaigrette on top, and then obviously had some Oreos because I need something sweet after lunch. And then I watched some Bling Empire, which I've been loving, but ever since that podcast with Caller Daddy and Christine Quinn, I realized how fake reality TV is, but I still love it.
I like how you're still here like 6 hours later.
I need to update a few of my things on my website and then send out some emails and some invoices to clients. So I'm gonna be working on that. I just had a cancellation and I think I'm gonna take, and then I actually recently just got a phone call from somewhere, a job offer. I'm also still my leotard from this morning, guys. I have not changed, nor have I showered. But to be honest, I don't really see a point until I'm done with my day, you know what I mean? Like, I'm moving a lot in the day and sweating a lot. So I'll just wait it out. At least my hair is clean because I washed it yesterday, so that's fine. It's also getting very long. Comment down below if you think I should cut it or if I should dye it. I'm kind of tempted to dye it or something. I don't know. Hi, Steve. It's gorgeous out right now, so I just did a little change. I still have my leotard on because I'm teaching in an hour, and I'm like, I don't really want to change because I'll just have to change back. And I hate putting dirty clothes back on. I'd rather take the dirty clothes off, change into new clothes, and just stay in the new clothes or get new clothes. And that's the dilemma because then I have like 3 pairs of clothes I just wore that day. So I'm keeping the leotard on, but I put these jeans on from my mom, this shirt that was in my thrift haul, which I'll put in my description box as well. And I'm gonna go take Elsa on a walk. And these sunglasses were also in my thrift haul.
Bunny's back. You guys should get some carrots for it.
I hear a cat somewhere. We saw a snake. So I just have one more class this evening. I went for a walk and I just got back, and then I think we're just gonna make dinner and watch Friends for the rest of the night. So I'll probably take you guys along with me tomorrow morning, but in case I don't, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.
So the rest of the evening, since I finished a little bit earlier than usual, I decided to read this beautifully illustrated book. And this is actually the second book from Ruby Kaur. I hope I'm saying her name right, but I love her illustrations, her poetry. It was so calming and beautiful, so I'll put that in my description down below as well.
I just changed really quick. I'm gonna do some vacuuming around the house, which is pretty boring, but needs to be done. There's lots of fur because both of our animals are shedding. And this top is from Aerie, and then I got this skirt for $6 from Old Navy.